At least it's got some traction bars for the rear axle. Needs finished, 3-speed manual for only 42,000 miles. Georgia truck, that explains why it's in good condition. Solid, minimal rust, parts included, maroon plus white, and they only want $5 grand for it, but there's no engine. It's 1969. They sit pretty low. Look, I'm taller than the truck. Nothing beats that style they used to have. The seat is not torn at all. That is a perfect condition seat. Some cool floor mats, red, white, and blue. I'm just gonna peek in real quick. Oh yeah, it's got that rustic smell to it. It's definitely a very nice truck you got here. So let me know if I should pick this up and do some sort of OBS build. And I would swap in some kind of small Cummins, maybe like 4BT. They can fit into everything. I honestly really like this truck. Let me know what you guys think. All right, let's head on back out on the road. Got some stuff to attend to. Glad I checked that out though. I really do appreciate the old trucks. You guys may think that I only like the newer ones because I have pretty newer ones, but no, that's not the case. I do like the older ones as well. And that is the buy style I would get. I'd paint it bright orange and I'd put these giant Super Swamper tires on it and a giant lift kit, because I saw a truck way back in the day like that in Lemoyne, and oh man, I love that truck so much. And then they resold it down in Richmond, Virginia, and I think someone bought it by now, but I do have some pictures maybe somewhere on my computer. I'm not really sure.
Spread out with it. South Carolina, Alabama, Mississippi, on the North Carolina, Philadelphia, Virginia.
Crossed into the Redland area. Everybody drives pickup trucks out here. Man, they logged it all out. What the? Dually! See what they got in stock today. They always have some nice diesels. Oh, look at that F-250. Truck was nice, man. New AutoZone is finally open. Yep, we got a modified Chevy right there. This sun is perfect vlogging weather. I tell you what, if you guys can see on the top of that mountain way out there, farthest highest mountain you can see, that is where that off-roading spot I used to go to all the time to make videos is at, and I'd always go there at night too. And well, they're starting to pave it out and build houses, so that sucks. Oh, no way, man. No way, check this out. That is my exact spec Silverado of what it used to look like stock, besides it not being Z71. Those are my exact wheels. I had those things in the doors. I had the same foot rails. I had the air dam on the bottom, the chrome there on the front. That is exactly my truck. It has the gray on the bottom by the tow hooks that I didn't have though. So it doesn't have the bug deflector and the pinstripes and all that other stuff, but as you can see, my truck is definitely not the same anymore, and that's how I park. So they even got my park job down. Oh, look at that spec, man. The truck is actually sick. I'm not a fan of Toyota too much. All right, we are back outside once again because I was looking for the green tea, but they didn't have it with the caffeine. I'm trying to get the capsules for the morning, mix that with the energy drinks, you know, for an increase of energy. I'm back on the highway here, going to go to Rutter's because something surprising just happened, and I did not know that this was going to be happening or the video was going to pan out this way, but I guess it is. Yo, we just got here, bro. Look at that truck, man. What's up, man?
What's up, man?
Dude, that's awesome.
Thanks, man.
What year is it?
2013.
Same here.
Yeah.
Dude, that's awesome. Mud terrains. Same tires that Sam has on his truck.
Really?
Yeah. 35, 12.5, 20-inch rims, dude. I should have got 20s. I have 18s on mine. Dude, nice. Fuel rims. That's what I'm thinking about going with. Whenever I get new tires, though, I'm going to get something that's like,
yeah,
the wheels that are like way out.
Yeah, they were out pretty good, but they put fender flares on them.
Color matched black. That's sweet.
The guy just put custom halo lights in them too.
Dude, that's cool.
The headlights that were on it before, the one was cracked.
I always notice with these like antenna bases, they always like fade out.
Yeah.
I have this tool that can take that ring off, and then I painted like everything here. Got the tow mirrors, man.
Yeah.
Always gotta have them out. That pisses people off on YouTube. You have the tow mirrors out all the time.
Really?
Yeah. All right, guys, so sorry if I'm not really explaining what's going on here, but Colby just got this new truck. You guys remember in the old video I made of your 2003?
2003.
Yeah, F-150.
You rate the truck out of 10?
About a 9 out of 5.
He used to have one of those, and now he has this, which is so much better. What do you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10?
10.
10. It's nice, dude. I'm glad you don't have any foot things. I don't really.
Yeah, I don't like the running boards.
Yeah, not really.
Yeah, the guy when I was in there buying it, he was like, "You want me to order you running boards?" I was like, "Nah, I think I'm gonna pass on the running boards."
Well, you were like, yeah, that's an insult, man. I don't think I want that. He was searching for many years, but he finally picked up a truck right here. What lift size is it? The Rough Country 6-inch lift?
Yep.
Nice. I got the Rough Country 3.5 and a body lift, so I'm at 5. Any engine mods?
Just regular
5.7
V8 Hemi.
Nice, dude. So here's the interior of the truck. 2013. Still smells brand new in here, dude.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Nice, man. Lots of room in the back. Ram has always given an extreme amount of room for these trucks. They don't even offer extended cab with these trucks.
No, it's called the club cab. It's like an extended cab, but the back door actually opens. You don't have to open the front door to open the back.
Yeah.
That would basically just not even be an upgrade. That would just basically buy another truck like mine. I need more room.
Lots of room for activities back here. You have a 40 or 44 series Flowmaster. I got like the Super 40 series on my Silverado. It sounds really good.
Maybe, I don't know what it's, it might be.
So you're telling me that's a axle from a Ram 2500?
That's what he said, yeah.
What the heck? That's weird. I guess, yeah, it does look pretty big. That's crazy, dude. So that's pretty built. It's pretty built, man. Ready to run some 37s next. See what this beast sounds like. Nice, dude. Dude, that sounds so good. I don't know, mine's a lot quieter than that.
Who can say where the road goes, where the
Go for a drive in this 13.
A little bit of a hop.
Oh yeah, 35s, man. Moose mirrors. Oh, that's sweet, dude. And that just disappears. Here we go. See ya, Silverado. Damn, dude, this thing. Damn, dude. So how much attention do you get in this truck?
Attention.
Yeah.
A lot more than my other truck, definitely. Every
Yeah.
time I like pull into a rudders, someone's staring at it. This one, I pulled up to this rudders, and the girl's like, I heard her tell her boyfriend, like she was talking loud, so I would hear it, but she's like, why can't you get a truck like that? Damn. And he was salty. He was like, oh fuck.
Damn. What kind of truck did he have?
He had a what do you have? He had a Ford F-150, but it was lifted, but it wasn't a really big lift, and he had chrome wheels on it. It was just stock wheels. Just doesn't match up. Didn't look too good. She was like, "Why can't you get a truck like that?" His face just dropped. He looked pretty mad.
Damn, dude, you ruined his day.
Yeah, when I came out, they were still sitting in the parking lot. I saw him yelling at her.
6-inch lifted on 35s. Pretty smooth ride, man.
Yeah, love it.
I'd say the tires aren't that loud.
No, that's what was surprising when I got into test drive. I'm like, wow, these tires aren't that loud. Like, I've been in trucks and guys with like mud terrain tires and tires like that, and they're pretty loud inside the cab. But I was surprised.
So did you take this truck off-road yet?
No, not yet.
Are you going to?
Probably.
Nice. Look at that, man. In the sun, it even looks better. Holy crap. That was loud, dude. Let's see what we got under the hood. Nice, man. So you got the intake, and it looks like it goes directly in. I'm not seeing anything else. All stock parts, but that's how you want to buy it, and then start adding horsepower mods. Try to add like a supercharger, new camshaft, an intake, twin turbo, professional photo shoot. Wait, so are the windows tinted on this?
Oh, back ones are.
Okay, yeah, I don't know, the front looked a little dark for me for a second. So yeah, man, 2013 Ram 1500, it's a 5.7, 35s, 20-inch rims, 6-inch lift by Rough Country. You know what you should have done? Giving your old truck to Nate.
Far.
Yeah.
He doesn't drive trucks. He drives Ford Focuses. 19.
See, 19 years old, so you guys can get this truck too. Just gotta work hard.
Yeah. 5.7 V8 Hemi transferred to a turbo diesel.
Christmas present. Thanks. Let's head on out.
First time in the passenger seat.
Here we go. All right. Isn't it weird how Rams, like the keys are,
Yeah.
it's not a key, it's like a...
Yeah, this is not a stock air freshener, by the way. That's all aftermarket.
All right, here we go. Nice, man. I don't think I've ever driven a lifted Ram like this one. It's hard to think. I think I've driven a lifted Duramax. I've driven more Cummins and Duramax. When it comes to these 1500 Rams, I don't think that's ever happened. Right off the bat, what I'm feeling is the steering is very smooth, dude.
Yeah.
Turning. It does have an IFS suspension on it instead of the solid axle of the 2500s.
Definitely be pissing people off on the road because they think it's unnecessary that it's this big, but
Yeah.
other than that, make way.
All right, here we go. Nice, dude. This truck is freaking awesome, man.
Thanks, man.
It's sitting so high on the road and very smooth ride. I must say, got to give it to Rough Country on their 6.5-inch lift kit. It's pretty smooth, man. And then it's got the, man, what was that tire brand?
They're Dynapro. So what we're gonna do is in these Dodge Rams, you can really just ram right through no trespassing fences. So
Yeah,
stay
just getting
tuned
back
for
up.
another video of us.
Look at that Ford up there. All right, having back on the wrong turn. I think we're good to go. Yeah, that is the road I was trying to get on. I don't get it. McCormick Drive and then McCormick Road. That is misleading. Here we go. American-made trucks, bro. There's nothing better. I do like the blacked down interior. That's
Yeah.
something I've always liked in these trucks.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of black trucks, black interior. If it's gonna be a black truck, it's gotta have it's gotta be all black.
You can really hide in the night.
The one F-150 I was looking at was all black, but the interior was tan. Not a real big
Ooh.
fan of that. Kind of
Yeah.
looked weird.
So here's what we're looking at in this 2013 all blacked out interior. I like how it says the miles per hour. It says it right there. Can't you switch that to what kind of fuel mileage you're getting as well?
Yes.
That's awesome. I do like the new setup. It's very clean. It looks a lot more simpler than, let's say, like the 10 to 12 Rams and stuff. They have a lot more gauging going on. Very appropriate back road right here to go on a test drive right by the creek. Oh, and there's a lot of people walking. Reaction?
Reaction video. They turned around and looked.
Yeah, right around this building, actually, whenever I'm kayaking, I'm pretty sure it's pretty dangerous right around about there. Holy crap, dude. Damn, dude, once that hooks, dude, it's fast. And this has 35-inch mud tires on it.
Yeah.
I did not expect that at all, dude.
It's pretty jumpy. I jump on the highway and it's fast. I hit that gas and it's
So this is where everyone comes fishing at. You can park just right off to the side up here. And you got the creek right there. No walking, no BS. Man, everyone's scared, dude. Everyone slows
I'd be
down.
scared if I saw a tank on the road too.
Well, what's going on
People
here?
out here taking some nice pictures.
Getting married.
Ask them if they want to sit on the back of the tailgate.
Future house. House up there.
That is massive.
All right, well, at 1% battery, man, this truck is sweet, bro. Thanks for letting me test drive it. It's really cool. He's gonna have this for about 40 to 50 more years. Probably gonna pass it on generation to generation. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so I can see you next video. Until then, take it easy.